Welcome back, everyone. I hope you enjoyed part 1 of our discussion on presentation skills. Now, let's talk about some common pitfalls in presentation delivery that should be avoided by the presenter. Delivering a presentation can be challenging, especially when speakers are focused on content and forget about delivery techniques. Many presentations fail not because the topic is weak, but because the delivery contains avoidable mistakes. Understanding these pitfalls help presenters improve clarity, confidence, and audience engagement. The following are some of the common pitfalls that weaken presentation effectiveness. The very first one is lack of preparation. One of the most common pitfalls is insufficient preparation. Many presenters rely too heavily on their slides or assume they can speak from memory, leading to confusion, hesitation, or missing information. A lack of preparation becomes obvious when speakers stumble, lose their train of thought, or appear unsure about key points. This damages credibility and reduces audience confidence. Effective preparation includes organizing the content, practicing its flow, and rehearsing with visual aids beforehand. Next is reading directly from slides or notes. A major mistake in presentation delivery is reading word for word from slides or note cards. This makes the presentation monotonous, reduces eye contact, and signals that the speaker does not fully understand the material. Slides overloaded with text push presenters to read instead of engage. When presenters read continuously, the audience becomes disengaged and uninterested. Instead, speakers should use slides as prompts and speak naturally in their own words. Then, speaking too fast or too slowly. Pacing issues are another common problem. Nervous presenters often speak too quickly, causing the audience to miss important details. On the other hand, speaking too slowly makes the presentation boring and disengaging. Poor pacing may also result in running out of time or finishing too early. A balanced pace and strategic pauses help maintain clarity and emphasis. When presenters rush, they seem anxious. When they drag, they lose the audience's attention. Then, poor voice modulation. A monotone voice can make even the most interesting topic dull. Many presenters, what they do, they fail to vary their pitch, their tone, and their volume, resulting in a flat, lifeless delivery. Without voice modulation, key ideas lose impact and the audience's attention wanders. Similarly, speaking too softly makes it difficult for the audience to hear what you are saying, while speaking too loudly may seem aggressive to the people who are sitting in the audience. Dynamic voice modulation helps highlight important points and keep the audience engaged throughout. Then, weak eye contact. Lack of eye contact is a significant pitfall in presentation delivery. Avoiding eye contact suggests nervousness, lack of confidence, or disconnection from the audience. Some presenters look only at their slides, their notes, or towards the flow. This prevents meaningful communication and reduces trust. Effective eye contact makes the audience feel involved and valued. Speakers should scan the room gently, making brief but consistent eye contact with different individuals or sections of the room. Then another mistake is overuse or misuse of visual aids. Visual aids are helpful, but many presenters misuse them by overcrowding slides, using distracting animations, or relying on visuals instead of speaking confidently. Slides packed with text, small fonts, or irrelevant images overwhelm the audience. Some presenters also struggle with technology, wasting time adjusting projectors or switching slides. Visuals should support the message, not replace it, and must be simple, clear, and relevant for the people. Next is lack of audience engagement. A presentation becomes ineffective when the audience is not engaged. Many presenters deliver long monologues without questions, without examples, or without any interaction with the audience. As a result, the audience becomes passive and disconnected. Engagement techniques such as asking questions, sharing stories, or using relatable examples help maintain interest. When presenters ignore the audience's reaction, such as boredom or confusion, they miss opportunities to clarify or re energize the session. Another important pitfall or mistake is poor body language. Negative body language, such as crossed arms, fidgeting, pacing nervously, or avoiding facial expressions, can weaken the presentation. Distracting movements, such as tapping feet, playing with the pen, or swaying, diminish the speaker's authority. Similarly, stiff posture makes the speaker appear uncomfortable. Confident body language includes open gestures, purposeful movement, relaxed posture, and natural facial expressions that match the tone of the message. Next is overloading the presentation with information. Some presenters overwhelm the audience with too much information, complex terminology, or excessive data. This happens when presenters try to include everything they know instead of focusing on key points. Information overload leads to confusion and fatigue. Effective presenters prioritize essential ideas and explain them clearly using examples, analogies, or visuals that aid comprehension. Remember, less is often more. Next is ignoring time limits. Another common pitfall is poor time management. Going beyond the allotted time signals unpreparedness and may frustrate the audience. Rushing at the end to finish quickly also reduces the impact of the conclusion. Presenters must rehearse timing beforehand to ensure the introduction, main points, and conclusions receive adequate attention by the presenter. Respecting time limits demonstrates professionalism. Then, weak or abrupt ending. Ending a presentation without a strong conclusion leaves the audience unsure of the main message, what you have presented throughout the presentation. Some presenters finish with phrases like, "That's it," or "I guess I'm done," which weaken the overall impact. A strong ending should summarize key points, reinforce the central message, and leave the audience with a final memorable thought. An abrupt ending causes the presentation to feel incomplete. Moving towards poor handling of questions. Some presenters become defensive, confused, or unprepared when faced with audience questions. Others avoid questions completely out of fear. Mishandling questions can damage credibility of the presenter and create discomfort among the audience. Effective presenters, what they should do, they should listen carefully, respond calmly, and admit honestly when they do not know an answer. Questions should be seen as opportunities, not threats from the audience. Avoiding these pitfalls will instantly separate you from 95% of the presenters. The good news, every single one is fixable with awareness and deliberate practice. Record your next talk, watch it critically with this list in hand, and you will see dramatic improvement in just one iteration. Thank you for staying engaged, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts in our discussion forum. Thank you.